Welcome back to Milesweb channel. In this video, you will learn how to send email from a PHP script using SMTP authentication. Before starting with the step-by-step process, first we'll see the importance of SMTP authentication. While sending an email, it is recommended to use SMTP authentication. SMTP authentication provides you the basic security to prevent from spam or phishing attempts. Now, let's start with the step-by-step process to enable SMTP authentication in your contact form. Log in to cPanel. Navigate to Software section and click on PHP Peer Packages. Under the Find a PHP Extensions and Applications package, search for Mail package and click on Go button. Install Mail package, which is listed under the module. After installing the Mail package, simply browse this link and download contact.php file. Open this contact.php file and replace the below details with actual ones. Save this file. Now, you can try sending emails, and the emails would be sent using SMTP authentication. So, in this way, you can send email from a PHP script using SMTP authentication. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.